Hey guys, it's Morgan, and if you watched my previous video on how I colored this hair, you would see how I colored it. So this hair is from Premium Hair Boutique. It's here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I got this hair. I got a 18, 16, 14-inch bundles and a 12-inch closure, and it brought me up to, I believe it was like $250. So it's on the affordable side, but it's not like Unice affordable or like AliExpress affordable. There's some really good hair. This is, so first time I had it, I had it in a sew-in, and I got it done the end of August, and I took it out the beginning of October. So I had this hair for like a month and a half. So then after that, after I took it out, I boiled it like what a lot of people do. I boiled it in apple cider vinegar and some conditioner, and I took it out, I bleached and dyed it, and then I made it into this wig. Now, how I made it into the wig, it was a U-part wig, and I just stuck the closure like in the little U-part part, and I sewed my tracks down. I didn't hot glue, I sewed them down. And like I said before, this is some really good hair. I love this hair to death. Like, I just feel like it's so nice. Like, look at it. You probably can't even see the curls. This is some really bad lighting. But as y'all saw, I curled it with this Revlon curler. It's like really old. Like my mom used to use this. It's like a really old curler. But I just used it like a wand curl, and I only do like the first 5 pieces in the front on each side, because that's just like how I like to wear my hair. As you can see, just like the first 5, because I just like to curl around my face, and then it can go into like whatever body wave state is in at the bottom. I really don't care how that looks. But yeah, since the first time I brought this hair, I have cut it, so it might look more like a 16. Yeah, it might look more like a 16 inch instead of 18 inches. Because when I wear hair and I see that it starts to get like split ends, I like to trim them off. Because I feel like it just looks really bad to me. People have hair that's not trimmed and has split ends. Because if you have other hair, like if you take, you'll take care of your hair. If it has split ends, you'll trim them off. So why not do the same thing to your weave? And with this hair, I would say to maintain it, I washed and conditioned it every 2 weeks. But yeah, I really like this hair. And this is 3 bundles in a closure, and this hair is thick. So yeah, I don't know if I already said it, but this color is Cajun Spice by Adore. I think it's number 56. And I just used some Clairol bleach, but if you guys want to see how I dyed it, then you need to watch my other video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Respect is there, now you shall receive.